Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever built a beautiful chart in Google Sheets and wanted to print it out, maybe for a presentation, a report card, or just to stick to your fridge, you might have noticed it's not always obvious how to get the chart onto paper. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just one, but two straightforward ways to print your charts directly from Google Sheets, so your hard work comes out looking just as polished on the page as it does on your screen. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Sheets file and find the chart that you'd like to print. This could be anything from a simple pie chart showing your monthly expenses to a more complex line graph tracking sales figures. Either way, the process is the same. Click directly on the chart to select it. You'll notice that when selected, your chart will be outlined with a blue frame like it's saying, "Pick me." This makes sure that the next steps you take apply only to the chart and not the rest of your spreadsheet. Once the chart is selected, you'll see three little vertical dots appear near the top right corner of the chart. This is sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Think of this menu as a hidden toolbox where Google tucks away a bunch of extra features. If you look through the menu that pops up, you'll see the Download option. Here's a handy shortcut for printing. By downloading the chart, you can save it as a PDF and then print from there. Click Download and then select PDF document. Google Sheets will generate a file that's a clean, high-quality image of just your chart and nothing else. This is a fantastic option if you want to quickly attach your chart to an email, share it on another platform, or just have a simplified printout without any of the spreadsheet clutter in the background. Once you've downloaded the PDF, open it up and print just like you would any other document, no special formatting required. But maybe you want to customize your printout a bit more. For example, suppose you want to adjust the page size, orientation, or add a title just above the chart before you print it. That's totally doable by moving the chart to its own sheet. To do this, head back to your chart and click on those three dots again. This time, select Move to Own Sheet. What happens next is that Google Sheets gives your chart a whole new tab in your spreadsheet. Nothing else on the page, just your beautiful chart sitting proudly in the center. Now with your chart isolated on its own sheet, go up to the File menu in the top left corner. When you click on File, scroll down to Print. This will open up the Print Settings window, letting you customize things like margins, orientation, and even the scale to make sure your chart fits just right on the page. Take your time here. If it looks a bit off in the preview, don't worry. You can tinker with these settings until it's perfect. Once everything looks good, hit Print and you're all set. And just like that, you have two easy ways to print a chart from Google Sheets, either by downloading as a PDF for quick, clutter-free prints or by moving your chart to its own sheet for more control over the final layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time.